Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look into some of the Apex related interview questions and answers. So let's have a look. So the first question is, what are the different DML operations available in Apex? So as we know, Apex provides several DML operations to manipulate the data. Likewise, insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete and merge. Insert means adding the new records. Update means modified the existing record. Upsert means insert or update the record based on whether they already exist in our system or not. Delete means removing the records. Undelete means restoring the deleted records, and merge means combines up to 3 records of the same object type. So let me give you the example of these operations. So we'll come to the developer console. We'll open the anonymous window. So the first we have inserting. So let me create one account. Let's give account name as ACC, then new account. Name is a mandatory field. Account 1. Semicolon and then insert. Okay. Now we'll execute it. Sorry, we need to give the semicolon. We'll execute it. Now if we check the account records, we'll see account 1 is created. Now we can update the same record. We'll query the record first. Select ID from account where name is account 1. Will give the exact name, and then let me give some, we can remove it. We'll give the name some different name. Let's suppose account new, and then update the account. We'll execute it. Sorry, account and space. We'll execute this. And now if I do refresh, you'll see account name, the name of the account 1 got updated to the account new. Okay. Also we can delete the same record. Account new, delete. Now if I execute it, you'll see that account got deleted. So our next question is, can you explain the concept of partial success in DML operation? In the last Apex related interview question and answer, we looked into it. Today in this video we are going to dive into how it is working using the code. So as we know, partial success allows some records to be processed successfully while others fail during DML operations, right? So using Database.insert enables this behavior, allowing you to handle errors for individual records without rolling back the entire transaction. So let me give you an example how it is happening. So first we will look into how using traditional way, when we use the insert, if there is an error, what happens. So let me create a list of accounts, account list, then new list of account, then new account. Here we'll give the name, let's suppose ECC1, and we'll create another account. In that case we'll not give any name. As we know, the name is a mandatory parameter for account object, so we'll write the insert account list. In that case, if we execute this, you will see we are getting one exception, which is required field missing, which is name. And if we check here, that account didn't get updated. This account, this is the previous account. Let me delete these accounts first, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, last we have the portal login. So again, let me once again execute this. You'll see we are getting the same error, and see any account never got inserted. Now if we use the database class, database.SaveResult, results, then database.insert. Here it will take two parameters, which are account list and the second parameter as a false. Why we are giving false as a second parameter? Let me show you. Database class in Apex. Insert. Here we have insert. Here if you read out, first parameter we are passing the records, the list of records, and the second parameter we are passing a boolean, which is all or none. All or none is defining the parameter specifies whether the operation allows partial success or not. If all or none is set to false and the record fails, the remainder of the DML operations can still succeed. Okay, so in this case we are passing as false. Now what it is saying, you must iterate through the returned result to identify which record succeeded or failed. Now we'll iterate over the records. Database.SaveResult results. If dot get success, in this case we'll, let me expand it a little bit, then system dot debug success, which is, sorry, it will be success. rs.get id else system dot debug error. Is the error we can get rs.get errors. We'll take the first record, then dot get message. Okay. Now let me first comment this. Execute highlighted. Line 13. We have missed something, I believe. Yeah, we have missed the semicolon. Now we'll execute it. Yeah, it got executed. Now debug only, we'll see one got success and one got failed because of the name parameter we haven't passed. And if we come to the account records, you'll see the ACC1 got updated right now. Okay, sorry, ACC1 got inserted. Now we have next question, which is what is the difference between insert and database.insert? So as we discussed, and I showed you in the example also, insert throws an DML exception if any record fails. The entire operation is rolled back, and the database.insert allows partial success by setting AllOrNone to false, returns a list of database.SaveResult objects to check which records succeeded or failed. Okay. We'll see the next question. How does the upsert operation work in Apex? Upsert either insert or updates the record based on the presence of existing record. It uses the record IDs or an external ID. This is very important. It uses records ID or an external ID field to determine if the record exists. Okay. So again, let me give you an example. In the account object, we have a field which is external ID. You'll see, okay, this is set as an external ID. Now suppose I am inserting one record. Okay, we are upserting one record with this external ID, and we are external ID to identify whether that record is present or not. Okay, now if I execute this script, and if I come here, you'll see one record got inserted, which is Acme. Okay, on the basis of external ID. I'll show you the external ID also. Here you can see external ID. Now using the same external ID, if we try to update this account, let's suppose I'm giving Acme new and execute this. Now if I refresh this record, you'll see the account name got updated by identifying the external ID. The new name is Acme new, whatever we have given. And also if I remove this external ID, in that case what will happen? It will just insert a new record. And yeah, external ID, and execute. Okay, if I refresh it, see this is updated. This is inserted a new record because we haven't passed the parameter to check the external ID, right? So like this, the upsert operation works. Next question is, what is the merge operation in Apex and when would you use it? Merge combines up to 3 records of the same object type into one, deleting the other record and reparenting any related records. It's useful for removing the duplicate records. So let me give you an example how it is happening. Here we have 2 records, which is, let me first delete one record. account master select id from account where name equals to account acme new. Okay, new. Let me change the name of this account to Acme. Now what we want it should delete this Acme record and it should only keep this Acme new. So using the merge operation, how we can do it? Okay, now duplicate as select id from count where name equals to me. Okay, now we'll use merge master duplicate. Okay, now if I this is merge. Now if we execute this, you will see here this record will get deleted and this record will not get deleted. Like we'll keep this record as it is we have defined as a master. See that Acme account got deleted. Okay, so like this we can delete the duplicate records also. Next question is, how do you handle exceptions during DML operations? We can use a try-catch block to handle the exceptions, as we discussed in our last question answer video also. Next question is, what are the governor limits in the context of DML operation? Salesforce enforces governor limits to ensure efficient use of resources for DML operations. The limits are maximum of 150 DML statement per transaction and maximum of 10,000 records processed via DML per transaction. Exceeding these limits result in runtime exceptions. Our next question is, what is a DML statement and how is it used in Apex? DML, which is data manipulation language, statements are used to insert, update, delete or merge records in Salesforce, as we discussed about it. They are written directly in Apex to perform these operations. Our next question is, how can you perform DML operations on multiple records efficiently? So to perform the DML operations on multiple records efficiently, we can use list and bulk DML operations. So I showed you also the example, like we created a list and we inserted all of the account record at a one glance, right? So like this, instead of inserting every account record at a time, at a one time we can do it using the list of accounts or any list of objects. Our next question is, what is the difference between delete and undelete operation? Delete removes the records from database and undelete restores the record from recycle bin. So yeah, this is the end of our video. So I'll please request, if you like this video, please give it a like and also comment down your thoughts, like how was the video and what are the series or any particular topic you want the video on. I hope you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it also. That's it from today. I'll see you in the next one.